Hello, today I'm going to tell you about a Russian product that will help you get rid of long-lasting nasal congestion. Who is this relevant for? Well, first of all, for those people who have had a stuffy nose for a long time, more than a week, more than 2 weeks, and for some, maybe even for months or years. This will be especially helpful for people who have allergies and for anxious people. That is, those who tend to worry about their surroundings, about what's happening in the world, about the pandemic. It doesn't matter what the reason is. In people with allergies and anxious individuals, the immune system triggers its hypersensitivity. That is, it gets angry and is ready to fight anything that lands on the surface of the nasal mucosa. That's why the mucous membrane swells, becomes inflamed, and this results in prolonged difficulty breathing through the nose. That's why our task is to calm the immune system so that it works at a normal level without hypersensitivity. And nothing calms the immune system as much as beneficial bacteria. There are a lot of beneficial bacteria in our body, and most of them are located in our intestines. If we add beneficial microorganisms to our gastrointestinal tract, the immune system will have something to work on. Hypersensitivity will go away, and as a result, the mucous membrane of the nose will recover, and it will breathe well. Of course, we now have an abundance of so-called probiotics that can be bought at the pharmacy, but most of them die in our stomach due to hydrochloric acid. That's why there is a food product that contains, first of all, a lot of probiotics and a lot of prebiotics. These are substances that promote the growth of normal flora in the gastrointestinal tract. And most importantly, these beneficial microorganisms and useful substances are not destroyed in the stomach. Drum roll. This product is called sauerkraut. To get a good result, you need to have a glass of sauerkraut every day. Since the immune system adjusts slowly, the effect is usually seen no sooner than 2 weeks later. Actually, this product has a ton of beneficial properties. Therefore, even if the nasal congestion doesn't go away completely, the body will receive many beneficial substances, including a lot of vitamin C, which has a positive effect on the immune system, has anti-inflammatory properties, and strengthens our blood vessels. If after eating sauerkraut daily for 3 to 4 weeks, you still have difficulty breathing through your nose, then of course I recommend seeing an otolaryngologist. Treat yourself properly, eat properly, and stay healthy. Yours, Dr. Karabrov.